Shillong MP Vincent Pala today inaugurated the Kambel Shullai eco-friendly crematorium at Khliehriat today. The eco-friendly crematorium was invented by late Kambel Shullai, and the design of the crematorium was taken over by Khliehriat. It may be mentioned that the first ever crematorium was constructed in 2001-2002 at Khliehriat. Speaking on the occasion, Vincent Pala stressed everything we do now need to have consideration for the environment, as it is important to preserve the ecology for the future generations.
Kermen na yung budin kerpad yung maher plus kamu budin uka tu skin the depth tu budin mesti bergawil yo itu tu skin gawali disket beri kau kror tu yo di mentah yang kesendrai te kikam yang kesendrai mendapat di bon ki di mentah kebahagiaan untuk ada kam personal te involve ke politik semiu kia ende joy por ke politik involve le tau kan limit mah kepada di mentah ke jumlah kamu orang mahir. Ubelai di i ke sap, ubelai di i ke jimstat, ubelai di i ke kebu. Yo yarap untuk yo penjat pun. Teman orang di yarap di mentah yang ti yo emino di mentah.